Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This is the second part of this mini series that I'm making where I want to find out if chunky glitter still sinks to the bottom with the technique that I used, and if this sounds interesting to you, just stay tuned. So this is from my first experiment that I made with the PVA glue, and yeah, as you can see, the fine glitter is really dispersed all over into the little pearl. And here are some pictures of my first experiment as well. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking it to the test, and that real hard because I have some sequins here that are really heavy, and I'm just pouring them in and stirring them around, yeah, to see whether this works or not. I really wanted to stretch the possibilities of this technique if it works or not. So I'm stirring it really slowly because I have already 1 million bubbles in there, but I didn't really mind that because of this is an experiment that I was just yeah, trying to prove something. And I didn't have enough sequins in there for my taste, so I put some more in and yeah, stirring them around. And I will put some fine glitter in there as well, just to see whether it will stay dispersed in the resin or not. So now I'm putting the PVA glue in, and I'm using 5-6 drops. And this is going to be a really thick resin that you gotta pour into that mold. And yeah, and this is what I'm doing now. I'm pouring it in, and this is a really deep mold. It's about over an inch deep, I guess, and I'm almost filling it up to the top. And after the resin was cured, I just filled it up to the top all the way. So now you see me demolding this piece, and yeah, the mold is really old. This is one of the first ones that I made like 2 years ago or so, like that. And yeah, it's been used a lot. So when I get it out, you will see that the sequins really have sunk to the bottom all the way. But when I show you a close-up, you see that the fine glitter is not on the bottom. It is dispersed all over the resin. And this is, yeah, what we had in the first place already. So it didn't really work with the really heavy glitter. And I have some pearls here that I made with heavy glitter as well. And as you can see, it's sunk to the bottom too. So this is not working when the glitter is really heavy.